Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and I bet I think when you guys started cooking, like ever, like your first dish, you were probably really bad at it. You probably really stunk at it, even if it was like boiling eggs, but that's, if you stink at cooking, that's why we created the meal prep app, guys, just to help you out. We want to guide you through creating healthy meals like this. And do it on an easy level. We got pictures in there, we got ingredients you need, all step by step. And with a dish like this, guys, you can buy almost anything pre-cut these days in the grocery store if you want to pay a little extra. You can get sweet potatoes pre-cut, zucchini, green onion, red onions, red bell pepper, everything you can get pre-cut. You can even get rice already cooked. All you have to do is heat it up. That's basically what this bowl is. So we've got all these veggies. You can dump them out on a pan or put them in a bowl, get those spices going, dump them out on a pan, roast them in the oven, and then throw them on top of the rice. And you've got this veggie taco bowl. I'm gonna load it up with some Greek yogurt to get some protein in there, and of course hot sauce because I love hot sauce. I also got some fresh jalapenos in there just to give it a little kick, But great bowl right here. Of course, you can add protein to it, but we wanted our veggies this week, and that's what we were looking forward to. So we just came back from vacation. Guys, coming out in the app this week. I hope you love it. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care.